Hello everyone. Today we will learn general knowledge questions about transport. So, let's begin. Number 1. Which one is a vehicle? A. Rose. B. Car. C. Carrot. D. Elephant. The right answer is option B, car. Number 2. How do you go to school? A. Aeroplane. B. Spaceship. C. Bus. D. Tonga. The right answer is option C, bus. Number 3. Which vehicle needs fuel? A. Bicycle. B. Tonga. C. Boat. D. Car. The right answer is option D, car. Number 4. Which vehicle does not need any fuel? A. Car. B. Ship. C. Bicycle. D. Auto. The right answer is option C, bicycle. Number 5. How many wheels the auto rickshaw has? A. 5. B. 3. C. 2. D. 4. The right answer is option B, 3. Number 6. Where does an aeroplane fly? A. In the air. B. On the road. C. In the water. D. On the mud. The right answer is option A, in the air. Number 7. Who flies an aeroplane? A. Doctor. B. Teacher. C. Pilot. D. Lawyer. The right answer is option C, pilot. Number 8. On what does a train run? A. On rail track. B. On mud. C. On road. D. On water track. The right answer is option A, on rail track. Number 9. Which one is a water vehicle? A. Car. B. Bus. C. Train. D. Ship. The right answer is option D, ship. Number 10. Where does the train halt? A. Bus stop. B. Shipyard. C. Railway station. D. Airport. The right answer is option C, railway station. Number 11. What is used to take sick people to hospital? A. Ambulance. B. Aeroplane. C. Train. D. bus. The right answer is option A, ambulance. Number 12. Which is the fastest means of transport? A. Roadways. B. Waterways. C. Airways. D. Railways. The right answer is option C, airways. Number 13. How many wheels the car has? A. 3. B. 2. C. 6. D. 4. The right answer is option D, 4. Number 14. Which one is a modern transport? A. Bullock cart. B. Donkeys. C. Car. D. Camels. The right answer is option C, car. Number 15. Which vehicle has only 2 wheels? A. Car. B. Bike. C. Van. D. Bus. The right answer is option B, bike. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel General Knowledge Laboratory and press the bell icon to never miss new video updates. Take care.